Okay, I'm going to do a short video on this one. This one here is a 1968, I believe, from what I can find. Hank's Clipper. It's 19-inch. It's very similar pretty much to the other two that I've got. Oh, again on this one, never quite been able to figure out what it is or who made it. But anyway, I picked this one up a couple weeks ago or a month ago off of Craigslist. And it just seemed like it was in really nice shape, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up and use it. So we'll give you a little show on this one. This one hasn't run for about 3 weeks, so we'll see if she'll go. Look out, Pepper. One thing I really like about them too is you need to pick something up, you just slow it down and walk away and it don't shut off. Anyway, there's that one. Yes, I know my original didn't run that nice, but you got to realize that it's got about 60 billion hours on it, and you know, it's low on compression and stuff, but it still runs. Okay, thank you, bye.